Hey, we have a Big Lebowski, right? So we have this regular old kind of, you know, whatever it is apron, the basic apron that goes with it. But like one of the first days that I had it, I lifted it up and I somehow managed to get some of this paint. See how it's like kind of all messed up? That scraped off right up here. And that kind of sucks. So look what we got. We got the Starry apron. So we're gonna put this on. Oh, I guess it goes this way. It looks pretty straightforward. Pull this thing off. We're gonna have to pull these guys off. There's a light board that goes underneath it. There's a cable, a ribbon cable, and I think a power cable that goes up to a board that's like right about here somewhere. And that should be about it. We'll turn the game off. We'll pull this up and out. We'll remove this and we'll see how difficult this is. I think it should be pretty straightforward. All right, so I think all we need to do is take these screws in the front off, and then this should just pop forward, I think. And remember, these use the Torx type drivers, and I only have security Torx, but they work. Toing. Okay, this guy has to come off, and we have a new one here that's a little bit shorter with mounts because there's a lighted circuit board that goes underneath here. So this we got to swap. So we'll do that. Oh, wrong size. So this one's just going to go here. Clang. All right, so we're gonna do the cable and stuff next. This feels a little when it's up here. So I'm gonna put this little foamy guy up here to protect. And then I have just a bungee cord that I just fasten around like that. Just hold it in place. So we need to go from here. We need to run the ribbon cable up along here and up through here. So these little standoff guys, I have a picture, I guess. One is here, somewhere here. And then there's another one that sits up here somewhere. All right, these screws are supposed to be self-tapping, but I drilled little holes. I think it would be easier. And Dutch Pinball uses this really, really nice hard plywood. That's why you don't have any dents on it like on Stern machines. They have dents on them after a couple of plays. But this is like super, super tough wood. All right, so these are keyed. So this ribbon cable only goes in one way because it has a little guy right there. So it goes in this way. And then we'll feed this. Shall we go through here? We'll go through here. No, I don't want to. Yeah, we'll go through there. Up like this. Okay, and we'll come back and clip that up to there. Great, perfect. That's loose. I will fix it. I think that this was not the first time this was loose, so I might check it, and if it comes loose again, then I think I'll pop it off of there, and we'll put a little dab of some sort of a gluey sort of substance in there to kind of help hold those in place. Everything else feels pretty secure. All right. I guess we'll bring this down next. Okay, so now we'll put the blinky light thing on. And this attaches here, here, and here. And there was something in the instructions about moving this lug down because this kind of sits right on top of it. So it will sit just like that. Oakley dokley. Little tiny screws, little tiny washers, big dumb fingers.
Would you like some tiny fingers?
I think I've got it. There we go. It's nice they gave you 4 screws and washers so you can drop one and lose it, which I assume I'm not going to rule that out yet. I think this whole process would have been easier if I had like a proper screwdriver set here that had these types of torques, but I've got to use one of these little L-shaped guys, which is awkward. Oh, hopefully this is painful for you to watch as it is for me to do. Or hopefully it isn't as painful. All right, that sucked. But finally got it. It wasn't quite lining up. Just a matter of brute force and lots of swearing. We got it. All right. He's in. Okay. So now we have to take off these guys and move this over to the other one. Come on over here. We can do that here.
More tiny screws.
I have a feeling this is going to be a little awkward. All right, we've got that transferred. So before I put this on, I'm going to plug this in it goes like this. And I'm going to turn the game on because I want to make sure that this is active. Make sure we don't have any other problems. There we go. All right, I don't need to see any more than that. Good enough. There it goes. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. All right. All right, let's throw this on there. So this goes on the same way. There's a little, L shape. That's just like all the aprons out there. This fits into these little guys here. So you said, like that. Right. The only thing I have to do is I have to clip our little zip ties. I think I'm going to push this up and we'll make sure that I don't have to secure anything else down. And then we'll turn it back on again. That all seems okay to me. I'm getting a little bit of a carbon buildup in here, just a tiny bit. Really don't want fingerprints on this when I put the glass back on it. Right, let's turn it on and throw the glass on. Oh, that's nice. I love it. When we ordered this, I thought about including this, but it was a little on the steep side. And then after we got it in, circumstances just made it where I had to have one. So I think it definitely helps tie the game together. What do you guys think? All right, that's it. Super easy to put on. No real big hassles except for get a proper Torx screwdriver before you attempt this, because those little L-shaped L for losers. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Look at that fancy pants apron.